Hello, my name is Kim Johnson, and I will be talking to you today about the cost benefits of green buildings, an analytical review of green building case studies. Green buildings have often been marketed to produce cost savings for owners. These savings of green design and construction impact the energy reduction, waste disposal, water costs, lower operation and maintenance costs, for example. These savings are usually on a numeric level, and the initial costs have reduced significantly, which makes these paybacks occur much quicker than before. Now, these direct cost savings are not the only type of savings that you receive from having a green design. The important aspects of cost savings in green buildings are based on the time of introduction to the green design methods and the integrated design approach. So the earlier the methods are introduced, the better, and the more integrated it is to the entire design, the more cost savings you'll receive. The idea of green design was introduced in the late 1800s, early 1900s by the physicist Henry Becquerel, who came up with this solar power that was developed within solar power plants as steam power. This developed in the 1950s, where the use of solar power developed even more, but it wasn't until the energy crisis in the 1970s that the research of green design became real. As the industry has become more familiar, the system of delivery and manufacturing improved to fit the codes, regulations of sustainable green design. There are two types of savings that occur with green design: direct and indirect cost savings. With direct cost savings, as seen earlier, much of the payback is measured numerically. In the past few years, most sustainable green buildings have lower annual costs from water, energy, and maintenance and repair costs, among others. A lot of the payback has only been noticed recently, as most of the buildings have really started popping up in the last 10 years or so. Indirect cost savings occur with the health, well-being, comfort, and building productivity as a whole, and its impact on building users. Factors affected include increased productivity, increased presence of building users, the reduced amount of time taken off from work in these buildings, reduced costs coming from air pollution, avoided landfill, wastewater treatment plants and power plants eliminated or reduced significantly. With a clearer understanding of the background of green design, let's look at the three case studies: the Bullitt Center, the E+ building, and the University Center. The Bullitt Center is a 6-story office building, 50,000 square feet, located in Seattle. With water efficiency 80% greater than a typical Seattle office building, the Bullitt Center produces around 230,000 kilowatt hours a year using photovoltaic panels extended far beyond the building. The Bullitt Center should avoid energy and water utility bills for the next 250 years and stands as one of 143 Living Building Challenge projects in the world, spread throughout 10 countries, and this is one of 4 in the U.S. At the time of completion, the Bullitt Center was known as the greenest building in the world with ample cost savings. The total construction cost of this building was $30 million. E+ 226-223 Highland Street Townhomes is located in Boston. It is a series of 4 3-story wood-frame townhomes that are LEED Platinums, initially developed as a pilot project used to develop energy-efficient, sustainable housing. The exterior facade is composed of high-quality fiber cement siding, FCS-certified wood trim, metal composite panels as a part of a rain screen assembly. This residential space used locally manufactured and produced goods to help stabilize the economy. With construction waste reduced using various strategies, more than 51% of the construction waste was diverted from landfills to be recycled. Completed in 2013, the project cost was $1,535,000. University Center is located in Manhattan, New York, and is a 16-story, 375,000 square foot multi-purpose education building. It's LEED Gold and it was completed in 2013, with inspiration coming from the desire to connect the institution to the community. With features like thermal energy storage created as a means to reduce the university's load on the New York's power grid, a green roof to reduce the heat island effect, 86% FCS certified wood use, 20% recycled content materials, along with other various material savings, and 91% of the construction waste diverted from landfills. This project, completed by SOM, had a project cost totaling $350 million. Hopefully, this information on green building design has encouraged you to look further into the cost savings and possibly use it in a future development of your own. Thank you for your time.